Imagine a future where creating complex customized objects is as easy as pressing a button. What role does artificial intelligence play in bringing this vision to life? The world of 3D printing has evolved remarkably over the years. Thanks to artificial intelligence, 3D printers are now capable of crafting intricate designs with astonishing precision and speed. These AI-driven printers are revolutionizing the way we create and use materials. The world of 3D printing is undergoing a revolution, and at its heart lies artificial intelligence, reshaping the way we create and use materials. In the realm of material science, AI algorithms have become indispensable tools. They are like the secret sorcerers, predicting properties of new materials before they are even created. This predictive magic slashes the time and resources usually sunk into the laborious process of experimentation, making material development not just faster but smarter too. Diving deeper, AI is gently nudging aside the age-old trial-and-error approach to material development. Instead, it's introducing a new era where materials are modeled and simulated at the atomic level. It's like having a super-powered microscope that can examine every atom in a material, and a master craftsman that can tweak these atoms to tailor-make materials. So, what does this mean for us? It means we are on the threshold of a future where materials are stronger, lighter, and more innovative. A future where our cars, our buildings, even our clothes, might be made of materials that are yet to be discovered. This opens the door to stronger, lighter, and more innovative designs. Automation and AI in 3D printing offer customization on a mass scale. The blend of these two technologies is a game changer, opening doors to new possibilities across various industries. Take healthcare, for example. AI-powered 3D printers are creating personalized prosthetics that perfectly fit the patient's body, improving comfort and functionality. These printers analyze the patient's anatomy using AI algorithms, then build custom-fit prosthetics layer by layer, with each layer tailored to the individual's unique specifications. The aerospace industry, too, is leveraging the power of AI and 3D printing. Lighter, more durable, and fuel-efficient parts are being produced, thanks to AI's capability to model and simulate materials at the atomic level. It's an advancement that's not only promoting efficiency, but also contributing to a greener planet. AI is also accelerating the development of groundbreaking materials. For instance, superconductors that can conduct electricity with zero resistance, and advanced polymers with superior strength and durability are being developed at a pace that was once unimaginable. AI algorithms are predicting the properties of these new materials, reducing the time and resources needed for experimentation. The potential of AI in 3D printing and material science is vast and largely untapped, but what we've seen so far is promising. Thanks to AI, 3D printing is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in manufacturing and material science, unlocking new horizons in innovation and sustainability.